Here's a breakdown of how a state bank typically generates revenue.
Interest income, loans,
State banks lend money to individuals,
businesses, and other entities, earning interest on these loans.
This includes mortgages, personal loans, business loans, and other types of credit facilities. Bonds and securities. State banks may invest in government bonds, corporate bonds, and other fixed income securities, earning interest on these investments. Fees and charges. Account fees. State banks often charge fees for various services, such as maintenance fees for checking and savings accounts, overdraft fees, and fees for additional services like wire transfers or cashier's checks. Transaction fees. Banks may charge fees for ATM withdrawals, paper statements, and other transactions. Merchant services. State banks may offer merchant services to businesses, earning fees on credit and debit card transactions processed through their systems. Wealth management and advisory fees. If the bank provides wealth management or financial advisory services, it may charge fees based on assets under management or a percentage of the client's investment portfolio. Investment income. The state bank may invest in various financial instruments, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate investment trusts, REITs, to generate additional income through dividends, capital gains, and interest. Foreign exchange and trade finance. State banks often facilitate international trade and currency exchange for businesses and individuals, earning revenue through fees, commissions, and spreads on foreign exchange transactions. Other services. Insurance. Some state banks offer insurance products, such as life insurance, health insurance, and property insurance, earning commissions on policy sales. Trust services. State banks may act as trustees, executors, or custodians for trusts, estates, and investment accounts, earning fees for these fiduciary services. Advisory and consulting services. Banks may provide advisory and consulting services to businesses and government entities, earning fees for strategic advice, financial analysis, and other specialized services.